Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Mini FAQ. My name is Charlie. There will be times whereby we will be hearing customers mentioning that air conditioning is not cold. So is it really not cold? Or could it be some of the settings? So today we're going to talk more about this. Let's go!
So this is what we will be seeing when we start up the car. To take note of the two buttons, the auto and the air circulation button. So for cooler air, you might want to switch off the external air circulation. When the lights are on, this will mean that now internal circulation is activated. No external warm air is coming in. Next is the auto button, where it will rapidly blast cooler air to bring the car cabin temperature that you have set it into. So in the video, this will be 22 degrees. Last but not least, do remember the air conditioning button must be on too. So in summary, the air circulation and the auto light must be switched on. Hope it helps. If you like my video, remember to subscribe to my channel. Bye!